Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Groupon. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Groupon and you will click in this window. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.